All right, last video of the year. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so what we're doing is we're doing probability of compound events. What we want to do here is we want to find the probability that you would pull a blue chip and then a blue marble out of separate bags, okay? Well, there are 4 blue chips out of 12 total chips in the one bag, 4 blue marbles out of 12 total marbles in the other. So what we want to do is we want to multiply these two fractions. Well, I know that 4/12 is actually 1/3, same here. So we're going to multiply. 1 times 1 across is 1, 3 times 3 is 9. So the probability is B, 1/9. Okay, for number 2, probability that someone likes pizza or has a job, okay? So that probability that both happen, is probability that they like pizza and have a job. That's known as P of A, B, probability of event A and B happening. All right, so 12 out of 17 people do like pizza. 12 out of 17 do have a job. What we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply straight across. 144 over 289 is right about 0.5. So if I go down here, I'm gonna put a dot right at 0.5. Number 3, pulling into a parking space at the mall. There's 72 parking spaces. Probability that randomly pull into a parking space greater than or equal to 28. That means there are 27 numbers less than 28 out of the 72. So from 28 and up, there's 45 total parking space. There's 45 parking spaces out of a total of 72. So we're going to reduce that. I know 9 can go into both of those. That's A, 5/8. And number 4, these are independent of each other. You're rolling a die 43 times. What's the probability that you would roll a 1 or a 2? So when you do probability like that, you have to add those. Well, there's 43 total rolls of the die if you add up that right-hand column. And I noticed that we rolled a 1 6 times and a 2 8 times. So what we want to do then, we're just going to add those two together. We get 14. Remember, when you add, you don't mess with the denominator because they're already the same. So that's 14 out of 43. That's D, okay? So what you guys want to do, probability of compound events, 5 through 10. Last video of the year. I want to thank you guys for hanging in with us this year. I know it's been a little bit crazy here the last couple of months, but I appreciate everything that you guys did. I actually do miss you, believe it or not, okay? So do this assignment. We'll have a quiz tomorrow. I'll let you guys know in my emails what's going on for the last 2 weeks. All right? Wash your hands, save a life.